Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about the break and then continue. I hope you get some of the idea how that break keyword work and why we should use that continue. I hope you get some of the idea. So now friend, in this video, I want to discuss about one of the infinite loop, which is very important. One of the things, like I make it as an infinite loop. Okay, infinite loop. What exactly infinite loop? Like that is one of the condition. Okay, like in our for each, that is our for loop. Into the for loop area, I started with the 1, initialize value 1, and they have actually our condition, right? I make it as a right now as a 5 times, and then that will be incremented by 1 by 1. Now if you click as a save all, now that should be print as a for the 5. Like you can see it's successfully print as a 5. Great. But if you actually remove this condition, okay, if you remove this condition, or rather than if you want to, if you miss that incremented value, then that will be fall into the infinite loop, because there have no condition. Always it will be incremented 1, 2, 3, and your browser will be little bit slow. Like I show you, if you click as a save all, now that is infinite. If you go, because they have no condition where exactly that will be stopped. That means when this loop will be stopped, then that will be infinite. Like if you now click as a refresh, now you can see it's infinitely incremented. That will be no condition, it's incremented 1 by 1, and that will be infinite. So make that sure you always use that in one of the condition, and also if you remove it, then that will be also as infinite. Your PC will be very slow if you use it. You can see this is still working. So here we have to actually remove it. You can see my PC is already become slow. Okay, my PC is already become slow. Better I want to remove it. That means I want to close this application rather than that will be infinite. And also I want to better save it again. Click the save all, and now I want to do, you can see it's become hang. You can see I have to actually stop it and I have to run it again. And that is our index. I want to go again our live server. So that is our live server. Perfect. I want to run it again, inspect, and then I want to go particular our console. So that is a console. Now I want to refresh it. Yeah, you can see it's now 5 times, which is totally fine, because here I have already added that 5. Okay. So I hope you get some of the ideas. When they have no condition, that means it will be always incremented. Okay, it's will be always incremented, and also if you remove this, that will be also fall into the infinite loop. So always make that sure you add that your condition, okay, rather than you have to actually close your browser and just restart your project again. I hope friend you get some of the idea. Okay, now you can see it's now displays a 5 times, which is totally fine. In our next video, I want to discuss about that nest loop. Okay, what exactly that mean. In our next video, I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.